In this FlexiSites AI review, I'm going to be showing you this AI app that can help you create these website, membership sites and funnel. And you can also drive traffic and engagement to it. So make sure you guys stay to the end of this review as I'm going to show you if FlexiSites AI is worth your time. And I'm also going to be showing you a complete tutorial of FlexiSites AI later in the video. If you're new to my channel, my name is Vijay Koshi. I'm a 7-figure affiliate marketer. I do these reviews every single day so that you can get the best ideas about new websites, software and courses. So guys, if you want to buy FlexiSites AI at any time during this video, make sure you guys click the second link down in the description, in which you guys can get my exclusive bonuses which you're gonna be getting in the members area right inside Warrior Plus. So now let me show you my bonuses. So these are the exclusive bonuses of FlexiSites that you're going to be getting in the members area. So the first bonus is the how to find target domain for your site. You can access it through this drive link over here. And the second bonus is the site speed secret, then WP secure website plugin, then the WordPress site transfer guide, then 100 web business models, WordPress web security, set up your first website, make first $100 on web, YouTube quick start guide, how to find target domain for your site, and it goes all the way down till here. So the last bonus is the domain cache records. So you're going to be getting a total of 18 bonuses if you end up buying through my link. Now let's get back to the sales page. So it says here, world's first AI app creates stunning website, membership sites and funnels in any niche in 60 seconds flat, boosts leads, traffic and engagement with one click. So FlexiSites AI is claiming that it can create these amazing website, membership sites and funnels, and you guys can also drive traffic to it. So if you scroll down, you can see the steps of FlexiSites AI. So the first step is that you have to buy and log in. Then the second step is that you can choose from their pre-built 100 pre-built website templates that you can use. Then the third step is that you can publish and profit from it. So I'm going to be showing you all of this in the tutorial. Before we jump into the tutorial, I would like to show you guys the price of FlexiSites AI. So before that, it is an alternative to Wix.com, ClickFunnels, HubSpot, Infusion, Convertri, and Kartra also. So these platforms are very expensive. Like if you look at Wix.com, it is gonna cost you $550 per month. ClickFunnels is gonna cost you $197. But FlexiSites AI, if you want to look at the price, you have to scroll all the way down till here. So this is the place where you can see the price, but now the price is not shown. It is because the FlexiSites AI is not launched yet. By the time I upload this video, FlexiSites AI is gonna be launched, and the price of FlexiSites AI is $17. So let me show you a trick in which you can get it for much cheaper price. So all you have to do is just reload the page. So after you have reloaded, what you have to do is move your cursor like you're about to close the tab. So you'll get a pop-up like this. So you'll get a $3 discount. So in order to get the $3 discount, you can use this thing, and you can get a $3 discount off the $17. So you can get FlexiSites AI for just $14. So now let's get into the tutorial, and after you guys watch the tutorial, I'm going to be showing you the different OTOs and upgrades. So I hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial of FlexiSites AI. Now let's jump into the different OTUs and upgrades. So the front end cost of FlexiSites AI is only $17, and after the discount you can get it for $14. So the first OTO is $37, which is FlexiSites AI unlimited version, and the second OTO is the SEO version, which will cost you $47. Then comes the third OTO, which is the FlexiSites AI done for you marketing suite, which is $27, and the fourth OTO is the FlexiSites AI agency, which is $97. And the last OTO is the FlexiSites AI reseller, which is gonna cost you $67. So you can upgrade FlexiSites AI based on your needs and features. So based on the needs, features, and whatever you want, you can upgrade after you buy the front end of FlexiSites AI. So that's it for this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed this review of FlexiSites AI. If you want to check it out, make sure you click the link in the description, and I hope to see you on another review video.